Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video we are going to look at how to filter your products from the product list view. Now the product list filtering on Keepsales is basically how to filter for your products. Okay, and then our filtering is a kind of search feature that allows you to search for products using certain parameters or categories, and we are going to look at all that. Okay, so let us filter some products. So first, we locate all products under the quick actions section, which is right here, or we can go on to the navigation bar, which is on the top of your page, and then you locate all products, which is also right there. Now we click on all products and we are taken to the all products section. Okay, so over here we can see all our products listed. Okay, so filtering is a type of search, like I said. So you locate the filter button, which is also right here. You click on filter. Now in the filter pop-up that appears on your screen, you notice that there are 5 parameters to which you can filter a product. You can either filter a product by department, or you can filter a product by available quantity. You can filter a product again by current status, or you can filter a product by selling price range. Now there's a 5th one which allows you to select to filter a product with a discount status. Okay, so either an active discount status or a no active discount status, or both. Okay, so let's try to filter some products. So let's start with filtering by department. So we go to a department, we click on departments, and then we try to select anything under the department. Okay, so let's say we want to filter chocolates. So after I've selected that, you click on apply filter. Okay, so then the results that are displayed here is, you notice all the items are under the department chocolate. So you notice chocolates in the department column. You can scroll down to look at all the products under the chocolate department. Okay, so let's select another department. Okay, so this time we want to filter computers. Okay, so we click on apply filter. Okay, so we notice that computers is under the department column, and then all the results here are items which are all under the department called computers. Okay, so we can go back to filter again, and this time we want to filter again with another parameter. So we go to filtering by available quantity. Okay, so we click on available quantity. Now there are some options that appears under available quantity. You can either select items above low level quantity. Okay, so now let's explain what low level quantity is on Keepsales. Low level quantity is the quantity of stock at which the software alerts you, the user, of low stock. Meaning when your product gets to that particular figure, which is that low level quantity, you want Keepsales to alert you that you are running out of stock. Okay, so yeah, we want to filter all products under available quantity. So let's begin with filtering for products which are above low level quantity. So we click on that, and then we click on apply filter. Okay, so after you have done that, you can scroll down and you notice that all the quantity under the quantity available column, you realize that all the products here are above low level quantity, so meaning they are not out of stock yet, they are not running out of stock yet. Okay, you can scroll down to look for more of them. Okay, so let's go back to filter again, and then this time you want to look at items which are exactly at low level quantity. So we click on apply filter, and again the results are displayed. So you notice that under quantity available for items which are exactly at our low level quantity, you notice that they are all in a red color. Okay, this is supposed to sort of like give us an urgency that we are really running out of stock and that we need to update our inventory. We need to restock immediately. Okay, so let's click on filter again. We go back to available quantity, and now this time we want to look at items which are less than our low level quantity. So you click on that and then you click on apply filter. Okay, so again under quantity available, you notice they are in red. Okay, so all these are our items which are, less than our low level quantity. Okay, so the last option here is we want to filter all items which are totally out of stock. So we click on that and then we click on apply filter. Okay, so you notice that under the quantity available, again the red color indicating that it's urgent, we are actually running out of stock. Now this time you notice that all the figures here under the quantities available are 0, meaning we have run out of stock on all the items which are there. Okay, so we want to look at the next filter parameter. Okay, so we click on filter, and this time we want to filter by current status. Now when you click on current status, there are 4 options on the current status which are displayed. You see active, you see disabled, you see out of stock, and then expired. Now when you filter items which are active, what active means is that all these items can be sold on Keepsales. Okay, so those are what active items on Keepsales are. Now disabled items are items you cannot sell on Keepsales. Okay, they are in your inventory, but then you cannot sell on Keepsales. Now we know what out of stock is. If you do not have any of that particular item on the shelf, and then expired is we have exceeded our expiry date. Okay, so now let's demonstrate this. So we want to apply for items which are active. So we click on apply filter. Okay, so when you scroll down, you come to the status column, the status section, and you notice that all under the status section are items which are active. So you notice the active writing which is displayed over there in green. Okay, so that means that all the items here are active. Okay, so let's go back to filter again and look at the other options. Okay, so we can also filter for items which are disabled. So we tap on apply filter. Okay, so we are still loading. Okay, so again you notice under status apparently we have only one item which has been disabled. So you notice under status it is shown here that it has been disabled. It means you can't sell this particular product on Keepsales unless you have activated it. Okay, so let's go back to filter again, and now this time we want to filter for products which are out of stock. So we tap on filter, and then when you check the status column, okay, you realize that all the products which are displayed are all labeled as out of stock. Okay, so let's go back to filter again, click on our current status, and then filter items which have expired. Okay, so all these are items which have expired. You look at the status column, and then you notice that all the products are labeled as expired. It means we have to restock with unexpired product. Okay, so that is that with filtering for products under current status. Now we go to the next parameter, which is that we want to filter for products by their selling price range. Okay, so by the selling price range we have the minimum price and the maximum price. So we can set the minimum price to, let's say, 10. See CDs. Okay, you can type that or use any of the arrows which are here, the top arrow and the bottom arrow. So we can also set our maximum price to, let's say, 100 CDs. Now when we click on apply filter, notice that all the products which are listed here would have a selling price of above 10 CDs. So when you look at the pricing column, okay, so selling price is basically the same as retail price. So when you look at retail P, which stands for retail price, you notice that all the values under retail price are above 10 CDs, and they are within 10 CDs and 100 CDs. Okay, so yes, you do not have to mistake the selling price with the cost price. Okay, so you can scroll down to see all your items which have selling price range of between 10 CD or 100 CDs, or any figure you decide to put, as the range is. Okay, great. So again, in the filter product section, for every parameter that you select, whether by department, whether by current status, whether by available quantity, or by selling price range, there is an additional metric you can select, which is called the discount status. Okay, so after you have selected a particular parameter, you come to where they have written, they are asking which discount status to use. Okay, you can select either all products, which is the selection by default, or you can select for products under whichever parameter you'd like to use with active discount. So you notice we have only products with active discount. You click on the circle and then it gets selected. Or you can also select for items with no active discounts. Okay, so let's demonstrate this. So let's say we select under by department, we select chocolate. Now under chocolate, we want all items which has products with active discounts. Okay, so let's select that and then we tap on apply filter. Okay, so what we see here are all products which have active discounts on them. Okay, all these are products which have active discounts on them. Okay, so let's go back to filter again. Now this time under the same department, which is chocolate, we want to look at all products with no active discount. Okay, so we select that and then we tap on apply filter. Okay, so we do not have any products like that. Okay, so no products for this business branch here. Okay, so let's go back to filter again. Also under chocolate, now by default, which is already set, anytime you go to the filter product section, we want to look at all items under chocolate which have either active discounts or they do not have active discounts. Okay, we want all the two to display. Okay, so we have results which are shown. Okay. Alright, so that is that for how to filter products on Keepsales. We hope you enjoyed this video. We have more of these videos which are available for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.